slow.
In the same boat, on the same sea, shaking inside as the tide keeps rising. Nary a ship, nary a sail, nary a soul on the whole horizon.
Here come 3 towns paddling up the rapids.
Here we are, my shipmates and me, lost on a windy sea. All the planks are springing a leak. We'd like to bail, but we forgot the pail, and we regret to say our compass is gone, but somehow we still sail on, because two heads are best, as some fellow wrote, and what the heck, we're in the same.
But head down the river come the ladies in distress.
Shattered and torn, weary and worn, feeling forlorn that we look untied. We chewed our nails, praying that whales aren't allowed to eat meat on Friday. Still, we are not discouraged due to the ancient quote that you like to win. Take it all on the chin when you're in the
But the waves are coming on fast. Don't show now.
The sea's unusually rough, the going's terribly tough. As if that wasn't enough, they've lost an oar. They find that all they can do to come